Welcome to Epic Mint Leaves, your channel for mind-blowing vegan recipes. Sugar-free, dairy-free, oil-free, low-fat, high-protein iced cafe latte. This is super healthy and so good, like a mix of a rich coffee and a creamy ice cream made with chickpeas, but tastes like a perfect, refreshing iced cafe latte. So hit the subscribe button and let's get started. First up, pour half a cup of cold coffee or espresso into a blender, along with a quarter cup of chickpeas, 2 Medjool dates, and a cup of a plant-based milk. Next, blend it until super creamy. Now enjoy this rich and refreshing cafe latte. Thanks for watching.